Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're going to draw Sprig Plantar, the cheerful little frog from Disney's Amphibia. We'll keep this tutorial simple, relaxing, and as close as possible to his original cartoon design. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps our channel grow and supports more fun drawing tutorials like this one. So, grab your pencil, relax, and let's draw Sprig Plantar.
Let's start working on those big, expressive eyes. Now let's add his signature hat and goggles. These little accessories are important because they make Sprig instantly recognizable. And remember, if you reach a more difficult part, pause the video and take your time. There's no need to rush. Did you know Sprig is only 10 years old when we first meet him? He turns 11 during the series, making him one of the younger main characters in Amphibia. Sprig is a pink frog who lives with the Plantar family in Wartwood Swamp. His family includes his younger sister Polly and his grandfather Hop Pop. Sprig becomes Boonchuy's first true friend in Amphibia. Their friendship becomes one of the heartwarming relationships at the center of the series. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends who love Amphibia. And if you haven't seen it yet, check out our tutorial on how to draw Boonchuy by clicking the card above. And now we want to know, which character would you like to see us draw next? Tell me in the comments. Sprig has had his hat since he was a little tadpole. In the episode Family Fishing Trip, we learned that it was given to him as a birthday present by his parents. Sprig has quite a few hobbies. He enjoys things like using a slingshot, playing the fiddle, and exploring the world around him. He is curious, impulsive, and often gets himself into trouble, but his kindness and courage are just as important to who he is. After Anne returns home, he uses the phone she gave him to photograph and document the different places he discovers in Amphibia. Honestly, our Sprig is looking really cool already, isn't he? Let's continue with his arms and those long, flexible legs. Try to keep the lines smooth and playful here. That flexibility is one of the things that gives Sprig so much personality. The cartoon style of Amphibia is already quite simple and expressive, with lots of rounded shapes and flexible-looking limbs. Some of those qualities are very familiar to us here on our channel, especially from our rubber hose drawings. That makes Sprig especially fun to draw. Sprig isn't just an adventurous frog, he's also a guide. His knowledge of Amphibia helps Anne understand this strange new world after she arrives there. Disney itself describes him as the young frog who helps Anne during her journey. Amphibia was created by Matt Braley and premiered on Disney Channel in 2019. The series ran for 3 seasons and follows Anne, Sprig, and the Plantar family through their adventures between Earth and Amphibia. And for when you go to color your Sprig, here's how we did it. For our main palette, we're using his bright pink skin, a softer pink for the belly, and deep forest greens for his hat and clothing. And of course, you can use any colors you like and create your own version of Sprig. We're almost there. Just a few final touches. And here's our Sprig, super fun and ready to join his friend Anne for great adventures. I hope you had fun drawing him with us today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.